All right, so you were bored of the game and the pressure of the game, right? Were you bored of the atmosphere in a pool hall?
The atmosphere in a pool hall is completely different. There's always something going on. There's always, music in the background. It's quite a loud environment. It's completely different to a snooker hall where it's very quiet. People don't make any noise. They don't walk past your shot. Here, it's completely different.
All right, so you still love the game, right?
I love to play pool. I don't love to play snooker so much, but I still do.